September is National Breakfast Month, so who better to celebrate it with than Charlene Patton in the Kansas Soybean Commission, who's joining us via Skype. Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning, Chris.
Hey, when I saw the rundown for what we're making today, it opened my eyes. I don't know that I've ever heard of any kind of breakfast with tacos and tofu in it, so we've got something interesting this morning to kick it off, right?
It is, but I guarantee you will love this recipe. You'll never know there's tofu in it. It is a winning recipe from last year's Kansas State Fair, and the winner was Ginger Lumen from Hutchinson. She received first place in the main dish category. We're going to start with the avocado cream, and with this, we're going to put avocado, lime juice, the soy sour cream, 2 tablespoons of water, a little bit of parsley, 1 tablespoon, and then a pinch of cayenne pepper and a pinch of salt into the food processor. And then whirl that up until it's nice and creamy. You can actually make this part a day ahead of time and put it into the refrigerator and have it already done. And then we'll get started with the actual scramble. And she is using a veggie sausage, but you could also use pork sausage if you wanted to in this recipe. You want to brown that till it's nice and cooked and brown and crumbled. Add our red bell pepper, a poblano pepper, and red onion. Put that into your skillet and stir that up, and then let that cook for about 5 minutes, just so those vegetables get tender. Then we're going to put the vegetables and the sausage mixture to the side, and we're going to add just a little oil and then add our crumbled tofu. And this is 14 ounces of tofu. We want to use a firm tofu, and I've drained it and patted it dry and then just crumbled it up. Put that in there, and then the fun begins of adding all kinds of spices to this recipe, Chris. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, some garlic powder, some turmeric, a little bit of black pepper, and then 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, and then 3 tablespoons of bacon-flavored textured vegetable protein. Mix that all together, and you want to cook that a little bit. You want to heat it and let that all mix together really well. Then we're going to add 1 cup of black beans and stir that in, and we want to do that just until it's heated. It doesn't have to cook very long. You might want to squeeze some lime juice over the top of that right before you serve it. It gives it a nice fresh flavor. And then we're going to actually serve that with either flour tortillas or corn tortillas, either one that you'd like, and use that wonderful avocado cream that we made at the beginning to put on top of it. How does that look? Isn't that colorful?
It looks amazing. You and the Kansas Soybean Commission really do a great job incorporating soy products into these recipes. And unfortunately, you're not here that we could taste it, but maybe that's a good thing because I'm rather hungry this morning, Charlene.
Well, I also want to tell anyone that wants to call and ask for the recipes for September, you'll also get a copy of the Fall Soy Connection, and we'll send that out with them. They can call our 800 number at 877-KS Soybean.
All right. You can check it out online as well. Just search the Kansas Soybean Commission. Charlene, real quick, what do we have next half hour?
We are going to do a fabulous ham asparagus strata.
All right. We'll see you around 6:20. Thanks, Charlene.
Bye-bye.
All right. We'll be right back.